Hi everyone, and welcome back to Lesson 4 of the New York School of Design's Intro to Digital Design. My name is Vidal Saifali Valencia, and I'm a fashion designer here in New York City. Within these 15-minute videos, we aim for you to learn the procedures, methods, and techniques utilized by fashion designers within CAD software. Today's video, we're going to be talking more about Photoshop, and we're going to be revisiting some of the tools that we introduced back in Lesson 1, except for now we're going to show you how you can apply them more so to your own work, and how you can utilize these tools to make improvements to your sketches, or your illustrations, or any other files you take into Photoshop. And so the next tool we're going to be getting into is the Lasso Tool, and if you hard press the Lasso Tool, you'll see that it has 3 different options. Now, the Lasso Tool has a counterpart within Illustrator that is very similar, which, again, I'm going to make sure I'm on my image, my sketch layer here, and I can just take the regular Lasso Tool and draw around what I want, and now this will have all the same behavioral capabilities as the Marquee tool did. I can go up here and I can copy, I can cut it out, I can use the Move tool to just drag this section out. I'm just going to do Command-C and Command-V real quick. You'll see, again, it's pasted it onto a new layer, and now it's over here. Of course, this is going to include the whole freehand selection I've just made, but this can be useful for pulling out different sections of sort of challenging areas where, you know, if you have a really close intersection here or sketches are close together, you can use things like the Lasso tool to make it a little bit easier to select a section of your sketch or of your image. These other tools are somewhat useful. It's, again, more situational on some of these. This is the Polygonal Lasso tool, which is going to work by creating solid lines, which you're going to click along each point. You could click a lot, of course. As you can see I'm doing on this side, I'm doing a lot of small clicks in order to just kind of get the contour. It's similar to the Lasso tool, but a little bit more precise in terms of like just picking a point to connect straight lines to. But again, this will then have all of the same editable principles of you can copy this, cut this, paste it into a new layer. You can just utilize the Move tool. It's sort of up to you at that point. And then lastly is the Magnetic Lasso tool. And the Magnetic Lasso tool is a little bit interesting. It can be very finicky, but the principle is more or less the same, except for the Magnetic Lasso tool is going to detect points. As you can see, it's making these little squares as I draw my line. And it's going to cut some corners, as you can see it did down there on my shoe, so that's why it can be a little bit finicky. And once you've selected it, it is going to be in that same shape of the outline you made. Again, this one is a little bit more situational, but can still be useful if you're trying to cut out pieces in a crowded sketch page, or if you're trying to select certain sections with a certain sensitivity. I encourage you to play around within the softwares to learn some more, and I will see you in the next video. Talk to you then.